न्यूयॉर्क की पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी की मारूफ समाजी व कारोबारी शख्सियात हुमायूं ज़मान और उमर गुज्जर चेचियाँ की जानब से न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में हाल ही में डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर के ओहदे पर तरक्की पाने वाले डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर मिसबा नूर के एजाज़ में पुरतकल्लफ और अजीम शान इस्तकबालिया दिया गया। न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में उनकी तरक्की की भरपूर तरीके से खुशी मनाई गई। लॉन्ग आइलैंड के मिंट रेस्टोरेंट में दिए गए इस्तकबालिये में न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट के असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर बराए प्रॉपर्टी मैनेजमेंट एंड स्पोर्ट्स सर्विसेज ब्यूरो मारिया ओटेरो समेत पाकिस्तानी व मुस्लिम अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी के ऑफिसर्स, मिसबा नूर के वालिद हुमायूं ज़मान और उमर गुज्जर चेचियाँ के करीबी अजीज़ व अकारब, फैमिली मेम्बर्स और कम्युनिटी की मुख्तलिफ शोबाए ज़िंदगी से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली अहम शख्सियात और अरकान ने बड़ी तादाद में शिरकत की। तकरीब के मेज़बानान हुमायूं ज़मान और उमर गुज्जर ने मेहमान खुसूसी डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर मिसबा नूर के साथ मिलकर तमाम मेहमानों को खुश आमदीद कहा और तकरीब में उनकी शिरकत पर उनका शुक्रिया अदा किया। तकरीब का आगाज़ तिलावत कुरान मजीद से हुआ। तिलावत की सआदत सार्जेंट अली हेमटालो ने हासिल की।
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
हुमायूं जमान और उमर गुज्जर चेचिया ने डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर मिसबा नूर, असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर मारिया ओटेरो समेत तमाम मेहमानों को खुश आमदीद कहते हुए कहा कि हमारे लिए ही नहीं बल्कि पूरी पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी के लिए फ़ख्र की बात है कि मिसबा नूर न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर जैसे अहम ओहदे पर फाइज हुए हैं।
NYPD community for being here and celebrate this beautiful evening and for the promotion of my brother Mizbah Noor, who recently got promoted to the Deputy Inspector of NYPD. He didn't just got promoted like that out of the blue. A lot of hard work, struggle, sacrifices went behind that. He's been on the force for over 19 years. Correct me if I'm wrong, Noor bhai. Yes. Serving New York City, and keeping it safe. It's a big honor and a big duty, which he has fulfilled throughout these 19 years. I myself and my community, we are very proud of you for doing that. A lot of my little nephews, you're a motivation for them. They look up to you, and I know you're not stopping here. We want to see you go further up at higher ranks.
I'm not too big of a speech guy, but I like to take this time to congratulate our friend Mizbah Noor for his well-deserved promotion. As a close friend, I had a privilege to see him in action. He's always worked hard. He's very helpful, kind, and an older brother for everybody in the community. As a police officer, he's well respected and as well in the community. And I can't describe in the words, the way he was a mentor and a role model for my life and all the other brothers in the community. He helped a lot of fellow officers within the village to become a police officer. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for being here. Thank you so much.
असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर ओटेरो का कहना था कि काबिलियत, अहलियत और मुसलसल मेहनत के बाद तरक्की की मंजिल किसको कहते हैं, इसे देखना हो तो डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर मिसबा नूर की मिसाल हमारे सामने है।
When people ask what is the meaning of success, I'm going to say Deputy Inspector Mizbah Noor. This is what the meaning of success is. This is success. When you have close friends, and family gather on a night like tonight to celebrate you, to celebrate your accomplishments, that's when you know that you have established and accomplished success in your life. Okay. Congratulations. And I also want to say that I know that when a person gets promoted, you hear other people say, well, you worked for it, very much deserved. And I have to say, in this case, Mizbah, I could not agree more. You have made, you know what, let me back up 1 minute. Before Mizbah, we started to work together. I had told, he was working in a smaller unit, an important unit, but I had a big vision and mission for the division. And so I had asked Mizbah, I said, would you be willing to take a bigger role? And we don't know, how much of change we're gonna do this together. And Mizbah was absolutely, Commissioner, I'm up for the challenge, I will take the role, until we started to go and look at what we had inherited, Mizbah, right? And then we were like, well, you said that you were up for the challenge, my friend. So here we are together. And we have done a lot together. The role that, as a commanding officer for the property clerk section, people don't realize, but that it's instrumental for the NYPD. As the commanding officer for the property clerk, Mizbah Noor, he's entrusted with all evidence, DNA evidence, biological evidence. We're talking narcotics, we're talking firearms, we're talking vehicles. And this is instrumental to the cases and the investigations and the arrest of the department. And Mizbah has shown true leadership.
डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर मिसबा नूर ने हुमायूं जमान और उमर गुज्जर समेत मेज़बानान का इज़्ज़त अफजाई और पजीराई पर शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए कहा कि यकीनन मेरे लिए एजाज़ की बात है कि डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर जैसे अहम ओहदे पर तरक्की मिली। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं अपने डिपार्टमेंट, सीनियर्स और कम्युनिटी का मशकूर हूँ कि जिनकी मुसलसल हौसला अफजाई और साथ मुझे हमेशा हासिल रहा।
Thank you all for coming. Thank you for sharing this historic event with us. I got promoted on April 4, just past month, to Deputy Inspector. Yes, I did some hard work, but like Ali, that he recited a very rightful surah in the beginning, that God gives you what you deserve, and He's the one that will lead the way. So that's exactly what happened. Yes, I stepped up to the challenge, and the rest is history. But first of all, let me start off with a saying: we don't choose our family that we're born into, right? But we do choose our friends. And I'm honored and I'm glad that I chose some good friends. Humayun, Umar, these guys are not just friends, they're family brothers. They put this event together, invited all of you guys, and I'm honored. Humayun, thank you, Umar, for doing this. And I told him, listen, this is not necessary. We could do a dinner like we do almost monthly, and we'll just celebrate. But they insisted. They said we have to do something special. So this is very special. I'm taken back by all of this. All these people I was not expecting. I appreciate everyone coming out. I know it's a Sunday. You could be in 1,000 places, but you're here with us celebrating. So I appreciate your time. And especially to my boss, she came here on her day off, means a lot. Thank you. One other thing I want to mention, the work ethics that I have, I got it from my father. He's here, standing right in front of me. He always taught us that there's no shortcuts in life, that you must work hard for anything that you want. So at the end of the day, if you work hard, you'll get what you deserve. And that's exactly what I have done throughout my life, not giving up, just pushing forward. Every day is a new day, but no 2 days can be the same, and that's my goal. I mean, that's what I live by. You just don't sit back and relax, just keep pushing forward. And the last thing I want to mention, like the commissioner mentioned, 3 years ago, I went into Auto Pound. I was a smaller unit, I was in charge of that. I went there, knowing me, I couldn't just sit back and relax, and I went to work and got some work done and got the attention of the commissioner. She trusted in my leadership, and I appreciate that. And she had a vision, and she gave me a bigger office, bigger responsibility, and same thing, the same work ethics applied, and continue to work hard. And 6 months later, here I am as a deputy inspector. So I appreciate her because she saw something in me, and I just took it from there, and the rest is history. So again, at the end, I want to appreciate everybody that's here celebrating with us tonight. Humayun and Umar. Thank you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. I mean, this is I don't know any other friends that would do something like that for their friends. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. This is really a special occasion, special moment. And really with this shield now, I mean, this will be, front and center in my office. And every day when I look at it, this is going to remind me of this night.
मेज़बान हुमायूं ज़मान और उमर गुज्जर की जानिब से मिसबाह नूर को खुसूसी अवार्ड पेश किया गया, जो कि उन्होंने कमिश्नर ओटेरो के साथ मिलकर मिसबाह नूर को पेश किया। अवार्ड पेश करने के बाद मेज़बान और कमिश्नर ओटेरो ने डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर मिसबाह नूर के साथ मिलकर उनकी प्रमोशन का केक काटा। इस मौके पर हाल तालियों से गूंज उठा और शुरका ने मिसबाह नूर को मुबारकबाद दी और उनकी कामयाबी व सलामती के लिए अपनी पुरखुलूस तमन्नाओं का इजहार किया। मोहसिन ज़हीर, उर्दू न्यूज़, न्यूयॉर्क।
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.